Hello, welcome back to Learn with Asha. How are you? Hope all are doing well. In the previous video, we learned what is data frame and we got familiar to the syntax of creating data frame. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to create data frame from list, how to create data frame from series and from dictionaries. So let us learn how to create data frame using list, series and dictionary. By the end of this video, you will be able to write code for creating data frame using list, using series and by using dictionaries. Let us have a look of the syntax of creating data frame. Before that, do you remember what is data frame? Data frame is a 2D structure, data structure, two-dimensional data structure in Python, where we can store different types of data which can be modified or changed throughout the application. And now look here the different arguments provided in the data frame functions are given. Data, index, columns, dtype, copy. If you have any doubt in this topic, you can click on the link provided in the description box. Now, let us start today's topic. How to define column names in the data frame. As we already discussed how to create a data frame using labels. Look here, in the syntax we have data, index, columns, dtype, copy. Today we are concentrating on data, index and columns. So here some data are stored in a data frame. The data Devi 21, Ram 16, Amir 28, Alex 19. All these data are stored in a data frame having the label, row labels are 0, 1, 2, 3, whereas column labels are 0, 1. Now we are going to learn how to change the column labels. To change the column labels, and we are going to give the title as name and age. How it can be done? Let us look at the code. Import pandas as PD, data1, that is the name given to the list. It's a two-dimensional list. So the list is always defined by using square bracket. And inside the square bracket, one more square bracket is given that indicates the first row, Devi 21. Second row is Ram 16. Third one is Amir 28. And the last one is Alex 19. All these data are enclosed in another square bracket. Now, age list is the data frame I am going to define, equal to pd.dataframe data1 comma columns is equal to name comma age. So here columns is equal to name comma age gives the title as name age. So column is the argument given to the data frame to define the column labels. Data1 is the value, columns the title for the or the labels for the columns. Then print df1. Now we can check how the program executes. Look at this program. Import pandas as PD. Data is defined. df1 data frame is created by using the data1, the defined list, and the attribute and the argument columns. So let us check how it works. Run. Look here, name, age. At the 0th row, Devi 21 is stored. That means row labels are 0, 1, 2, 3. Whereas the column labels are defined by using the argument column So it has user-defined column labels, name and age. So now I hope it is clear for you. Now we will create data frame by defining row labels. In the previous example, we have the row labels as 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So that one is default row labels. If you want to change the row labels as Devi, Ram, Amir, Alex, then how can we do? In the previous example, we use column labels by defining by using column argument. So here import pandas as PD data1 is equal to, look here, I am using the data values 21, 56, 76. These are the values of the first row. 16, 98, 34 second row values. 28, 64, 45, that is the third row. 19, 56, 37 is the last row. Here the column labels are physics, chemistry, biology. So in the data frame creation, columns is equal to physics, chemistry, biology is provided there. Then here another new argument is used, index. Index is equal to Devi, Ram, Amir, Alex. And here the index gives the row labels. Now we will check how the program works. Look here, the program import pandas as PD. Data1 is provided here. df1 data frame is defined and print df1. We will check how it works. Look here, instead of 0, 1, 2, 3 row labels, we have new row labels Devi, Ram, Amir, Alex. How it created? By giving the data along with index argument. So columns are used to provide the column labels, index are used to provide the row labels. Now let us check how the data frame are created from different series. Before that, we should know what is series. Series is a data structure just like data frame, where the data can be stored. Just like data frame, the values can be changed in series. But the difference is that data frame is a two-dimensional data structure, whereas series is a one-dimensional data structure. In data frame, the size, row size and column size can be changed, whereas in series, the size cannot be changed. And series is created by using series method, whereas data frame is created by using data frame method. And here the series is created by using dictionary. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is also a data structure in Python, but it can be compared with telephone directory. As in telephone directory, the subscriber's name gets stored with their own numbers, where the name is the key and number is the value. Just like that, in Python dictionary, each item will be stored as key and value pair. That means a key will be there along with a value. Here we are going to create series. Along with that, we are going to create data frame by using series. Import pandas as PD. PHY is a series. Why? Because it is created by using the method series. And inside the bracket, we have a dictionary. Dictionary is always defined by using curly brace. So here Devi colon 21, the first one is the key and 21 is the value. Similarly, Ram 16, Amir 28, Alex 19. It's a pair of key and value. A dictionary is formed and that dictionary is used to create a series. And using that series, we are going to define a data frame. So PHY is the first series. Second series is CHEM, that is also created by using series method with another set of values in the dictionary. Bio DF1 is the definition of a data frame. DF1 is equal to PD dot data frame. DF1 data frame is defined in this statement by using a dictionary. But here the difference is that key value physics along with key, the value is PHY. PHY is a series. Chemistry, it is the key value key and CHEM is the value. That is another series. Biology key and bio is the third series. So in this in this definition, series definition PHY, we have the key Devi and 21 is the value. It is an integer value. Whereas in the definition of data frame, we define the data frame by using the dictionary having the data value. The first key is physics and PHY is the value. Second one is chemistry, that is the key. CHEM is the value. That is a series. Now we will check how it works. Before that, we can have a look of the output. Look here. Here this will be the output. Physics, chemistry, biology. 3 columns are there and 4 rows having these values. Now we will check how the program executes. Look here. This is the program. Import pandas as PD. Physics marks, chemistry marks, bio marks. 3 series are created by using dictionaries. And using these series, we are going to create the data frame. DF1 is equal to PD.data_frame and the data is provided inside the bracket. Physics is the key. Phys marks is the value. That is a series. And now we will check how it works. Look here. The data is displayed like this. That means this is a data structure having 4 rows and 3 columns and the labels, row labels are Devi, Ram, Amir and Alex. Column labels are physics, chemistry, biology. Now we are going to create data frame from dictionary. In the previous example we used series also. Here we are going to create a data frame directly from the dictionary. Import pandas as PD. Student is equal to, here the dictionary is defined, brace started, the key name is there and the values Devi, Ram, Amir, Alex is the value. Next key is physics. Its corresponding values are displayed here. Chemistry, its corresponding values are displayed. And then biology, its corresponding values are given here. So the 4 rows are there. DF1 is equal to PD.data_frame. Directly the dictionary name is given as the value. Print DF1. So here the output looks like this. The row labels are not provided. So what happens? The default row labels are taken 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we will look at the code execution. Look at the code. Again import pandas as PD. Student data is provided here. And df1 is equal to pd.data_frame student. Print df1. We will check the execution. Look here. The row labels by default 0, 1, 2, 3 it is taken. And the dictionary provides the data and the corresponding column labels, that is the key values. I think the topic is clear. Now I think you are able to write code for creation of data frame using list, using series and using dictionaries. Next video we will learn how to sort the data. Sorting data means if the data is arranged as BCA, it can be sorted as ABC. BCA can be, that means alphabetical order, it can be sorted. Whatever may be the values, it can be arranged in ascending or descending order. And for the time being, bye.